vague idea, faint idea of what are those barriers, or why do you call them barriers, by the way?
Noise.
Noise is one of them. Very good. Good. Warning of the fans, for instance. Warning of the fans is one. Or people booing. People booing in football and cricket matches. If you have seen them, when somebody comes, they will say, "Oh, I can't do that now. I'm in a formal class. Outside in a stadium you can do that. Inside a classroom you can't." So that's one. Second thing. Good. Let's say I were to speak to you in Kannada. 95% of the people would say we couldn't follow a single syllable. I am the remaining 1%. 5%. 95% people will say we couldn't follow a single syllable, unless of course they have some English word here and there. So that's linguistic barrier. I must be speaking to you, I must be talking to you in a language that's understandable to everybody, you and me. So linguistic barrier. Physical barrier, fan is one example. Let's say it's an open theater. Let's say it's an open space. What happens there? Let's say it's an open space and we are in Rajasthan and it's April, mid-April.
Climate.
Noon, mid-April and this time. Class is around this time. It's open theater. What happens there?
Summer.
You Somebody will hold an umbrella, somebody will say this, somebody will drink water, somebody will say, please have mercy on us, allow us to go out. That's another physical barrier, no? Climate, weather or whatever. Then people keep talking, let's say. That's one more barrier, one more physical barrier. So you have physical barrier, then you have linguistic barrier. Anything else? One by one, sorry.
Semantic barrier.
Wow, great. Somebody else was saying something else? Huh? Sorry, cultural barrier. Good. Two things now. One. Yes, good. Semantic barrier. Meaning. I must mean what I say. I cannot speak like a politician telling, I tell you something, in the next 30 seconds, I say, I never meant that. I never meant that. You say something and next moment you say, I didn't mean that. That's semantic barrier. You must mean what you say. There cannot be a gap between what you mean and what you say. Next is what? Cultural barrier. You and I must be sharing the same phenomenon. Let's say, for instance, Wordsworth in his iconic poem, Lyrical Ballad, said, 10,000 saw I at a glance. He said something like this. I'm just putting part of that. He said, you can read? Don't worry, I also can't read. Something is wrong there? He was referring to daffodils. He was referring to daffodils. This is a question of cultural barrier. What happens is, we are not used to seeing daffodils, especially in Rajasthan. Rajasthan we will see what? Thorny bushes. Sand dunes, sandy bushes, thorny bushes, sand and all small shrubs made. If somebody talks of daffodils, we say, what that daffodil? Somebody will show you an image of that. You say, okay, that's it. That also creates a barrier, right? Cultural barrier. Similarly, somebody talks of something that we are not used to. Let's say in Iraq, Iran, Dubai, Saudi Arab, the Gulf. Let's say women use burqa, right? They cover from head to toe, tip to toe. And if late evening you bump into somebody, you might be scared of her or him as a ghost. Say, I don't